one set name, or you can have 3 to 9 and you get a lower price. And then if you order a dozen and up, mas mababa pa yan. So, kindly get yourselves to know this guy. If you have a club, a cycling team,
Yo, welcome to Rough Active.
Welcome to Pedal 2024 Philippine Bike Demo and Expo here at UP Diliman, Sunken Garden. It's a 2-day event. Day 1 today until tomorrow, Sunday. Open from 7 AM to 5 PM. Tara, pasok tayo. Start up tayo. On my right, it's a Shimano. MTB tires, laser helmet. Have here is Maxxis. Voodoo, Lawan. There you go. 8A Performance. Manic Studios. Carbonation Cycling. Booster Energy Shot. Roundwork Muay Thai Origins. Dope Breaker. Black Mamba. CCN Philippines. For year.
Kumagat ng Binyan.
Mag-anak
maging ang ninong ka.
Ninong ka ng Binyan.
Ayos! So,
pwede siya pang medyo formal event.
It's Baro.
Pero dry fit pa rin siya.
Alright.
So, komportable talaga.
So, okay. Sana nakinig kayo. Kasi kung hindi nyo nakinig, wala kayo nito. Okay? What tip lang. Ito lang mananalo. Ito lang nakinig eh. I guess, doon. Okay, sino gusto makinig ulit? Tapos meron tong 2,000 plus na jersey. Mananalo kayo. Ayusin nyo lang yung sagot nyo. Dapat mahirap ang tanong po. Okay? This is
cycling glasses.
Oh, 3,500 pala to. Okay, 3,500. Pero naman.
Uncle dito specialized.
No, you can choose.
That specialized.
Pwede mo palitan yung size. So, okay. So this is very good, no?
Got cycling shoes, bike tires, frame.
Okay. Medyo mahirap ang tanong natin, ha? So, okay na ba?
X-Egen bike.
We have also
Back shocks at 40% head. Good deal. Good.
Okay. Now,
ATM bikes.
No, nagilis ng tenga. Okay. Okay, ang tanong ay?
Colnago bikes.
We have, na-discuss ko yung ultralight shirts, no? Ano yung pinakamagaan sa na weight na nabanggit ko? For the ultralight shirt.
Weight na yun. Okay.
Harap.
Okay.
Colnago bikes. Rapa cycling. Moto Market. You got Moto Market here.
Lapit na! Try nyo pa!
Bike helmet.
Hindi, wala pa. Kailangan marinig ko yung isa pa yung ikaw nanalo, brother. Kasi 55 to 60.
So,
Yan.
from here,
62 ka? Matanda ka na eh.
Bikezilla.
Uy! Bayaran mo ako.
Got DT Swiss here.
Sir, papakita mo yung size. Picture mo na tayo.
We are Team Spider. Team Spider. Got TCG here. Spy. Helmets. Those who are looking for helmets, got everything here. You can find it anything here. Carobikes.com. Shaoyang. Pandaracer.com. Cool. Starbike.
Pag nakatuto ka ng 70, mag-order sila. Diba bro? Pag kaya mo 70, kaya mo 200.
Harap Bike Bike by Ian Howe.
Kasi,
Ang mura dyan, no? Mura.
medyo mapisil.
Supreme Bikes. Ano sila rito? Supreme Bikes.
Rider, ang run to go, hindi maarte mag-ride. Todo lang, di ba? Ay, hindi, ako naliligo ako, brother, kaya lumalayo ako sa iyo eh. Sige, congratulations. Thank you, brother. Ito.
Tayo sa likod.
Ay, alam, isa pa daw. Isa pa. Isa pa ka daw.
Moving on this side, Bikery, bicycle. Bikes on duty, Popsies Cafe. Punta ako ngayon dito kasi STEM. Ahon. Built bicycles.
Ayun, panalo ka. Yes, brother.
Insta 360. So, medyo tingin ko hindi pa siya gaano puno eh. So, most probably tomorrow, Sunday, last day. So, siguro mas nadami pa yung mga concessionaires dito. High class. Camelback. Road tag. Road tag.
Ihit ka. Hinigil na gano'n. Ito yung premium na buwan. Tawa ng tawa.
Medyo mainit lang talaga. So, tsaga-tsaga. At least makakamura ka naman pag pumasyal ka rito. So, good deal. Ika nga. So, 2-day event lang to. So, take the chance. Go out kahit mainit. Bike friendly. Ito mga food concessionaire na rito. Concessionaire. Ito pala yung Tiklop Society of the Philippines. Oh. black, no? Pati yung ano black. 3.5 na lang yan.
Alright, more jerseys in the pattern. This guy's an ex-pro, man. These guys pretty much from the junior national riders in the Philippines turned into a wonderful cycling apparel manufacturer under the brand CCN. Sir, palakpakan po natin ang ating ex-pro champion. Tell us your name, sir. Julius Mark Bonzo. There you go. And he used to start as a junior national champion. Then he turned pro, full pro, and ano nangyari? Mula pagiging pro.
Please subscribe to Rob Active. Like and share nyo na din. Tapos comment kayo. Okay,